Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering some of the most commonly used keyboard shortcuts on Microsoft Word. So let's go ahead and run through them. So if you're highlighting any one of these options on the ribbon, quite a few of them are going to have a keyboard shortcut option available to you. So this one, for example, bold. So if you do Control plus B while you highlight a word, it's actually going to let you make it bold. So let's try this out. So let's highlight this first word here on this sentence. Let's do Control plus B. And you can see that it actually makes this first word bold, which is great, right? Now, if we want to unbolden this word without having to come up here and select the undo button, we could just do Control Z. So Control plus Z, that actually undoes the change that we just made. Now, if you wanted to redo that change, if you come up here, you can see it's Control plus Y. So let's you know what? We changed our mind again. We want it to be bold again. We do Control plus Y. Now we redid our change. So those are some of the more commonly used ones. Another commonly used one is actually the Control option. So if you highlight a word or words and do Control C on your keyboard, you can actually copy and paste it. So after you've done Control C after highlighting your word or words, you can actually come over and press Control V, and then that'll actually paste whatever you just copied. So that is another option. Another option is you can actually select all. So you can select all by doing Control plus A, and that'll select all of the words within your document. So that's another option available to you. And let's come up here and let's see some other ones that might be helpful. So we have increase font size. So that's Control plus Shift plus the greater than symbol. And then this one looks like it's probably just the less than symbol. And it's always helpful, if you have a separate document open somewhere where you can just kind of keep a little cheat sheet and maybe categorize your different shortcuts. You can see like the underline one is Control plus U, italicize is Control plus I, and so on. If you want to save your document, say autosave wasn't on and you want to be able to save your document, if you do Control plus S, you can actually save your document. So those are some of the most commonly used keyboard shortcuts. I'll actually put a link in the description if you want a more robust list of the keyboard shortcuts, but hopefully this gives you all a good start.